Now we're going to look at finding the measure of unknown sides and angles when trigonometry is not required. And we're going to look at the first example that we did when we were using the trig ratios. And you may have noticed that there were some angle measurements and side measurements that were left unsolved. And we're going to solve them now, and you're going to discover that we don't need trigonometry to find them. So after the previous calculations, we found that the side opposite angle D was 1.06 kilometers. And remember, we used the sine ratio in order to calculate that. So now we have two side lengths and an angle measurement. And we can find the missing angle measurement, so this is angle F, and the missing side length, side DE, but we don't have to use trigonometry to do so. So let's start off. We know that angle E is 90. We know that angle D is 49 degrees. And we know that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So we can use this fact in order to solve for the missing angle, which is angle F. So angle F is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 minus 49, which is equal to 41 degrees. So now we know angle F is 41 degrees. We're given that side E is 1.4 kilometers. And that side F we found was 1.06 kilometers. So we can use Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side length, which is side DE. So we're going to call that side F because it is opposite of angle F. And when we sub in, remember that the hypotenuse is our 1.4 because that's opposite the right angle. So we have to sub in for 1.4 for C in Pythagorean theorem. So we then solve the equation, and we end up with F squared is equal to 0.8364. Take the square root of both sides, and we find that side F, which is this side here, is equal to approximately 0.91 kilometers. So therefore, angle F is 41 degrees and side F is approximately 0.91 kilometers.